cutting your aluminum post stiffeners to height, you'll utilize the measurement in Layout Worksheet Box C, which is the very top of your higher two beams in our double beam system. Go ahead and make this top of beam mark on your first post stiffener. Now, if you're not 100% certain that the deck or patio is level with the horizon, what we do is recommend sliding the aluminum 2x8 out of the vinyl sleeve. And with the helper, you can quick clamp that aluminum 2x8 so it matches up with that top of beam mark you made on your first post stiffener. Running that 2x8 aluminum sleeve over to post stiffener number 2 can allow you to use a level, adjusting the beam as necessary until you've made it perfectly level. Once level, go ahead and mark the top of beam line on that second post stiffener, and you're just one step away from cutting. With the speed square, we want you to mark your post exactly 1 inch below those top of beam marks. This will now be your cut line. Our crews like a spritz of WD-40 on that cut line before they slowly and carefully cut through the post stiffener. It's okay if your cut isn't perfect. The vinyl post sleeve is going to cover that up during the installation. And if you want more detail on aluminum post stiffener cutting, go ahead and refer to our cutting materials video in this same playlist. Go ahead, climb your ladder and drop your post plug into the top of your aluminum post stiffener.